right there at it. Ah, okay. Boom.
Sales.
Director of Sales. Looky there, son. What?
Titty level.
Oh, damn.
Titty level.
Looky there, man.
It's higher than titty level.
Looky there, that's right. Oh, my back's gonna pop. How you doing, Jay?
I'm doing great. About yourself?
All right.
Look here.
Okay, so I do.
I don't know why.
In this case, it'll be like this because I don't want to wave in Jay's face. Okay, so
Bloopers.
action. Okay, here we go. I got this. Holmes. Okay, take
Cut.
2. Yeah. Pause.
I'm smiling.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, that usually happens. I'm not gonna lie. But
Head of the. I got to do this again. What is the What is your formal
director.
title? Bam. Hey guys.